Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. Today I got something to show you guys, but first, remember that video with the micro losses? I was complaining about cars get discontinued, it's hard to get parts. It was kind of like a rant. And then I was saying in the comments to people that Traxxas always keeps the parts and they're real good that way. Well, guess what happened? This is what happened. I got a Traxxas BIGFOOT 4x4. And I can't wait to drive this and show you guys in action. But first, we're going to put it on the table and we're going to look inside and see what it looks like. I didn't open it, didn't do nothing. Let's hit it. All right, here she is, guys. Let's open her up. Styrofoam, instruction manual, some extra shock parts, and a wrench. Here it is. Nice. Let's see what else is in here. Boy, they packed this thing good. Got the radio. And here it is. It's supposed to have some quick release body. I don't even know how it works here. Yeah, I really don't know how it works, guys. I feel there's like clips here. There must be something in here you pull or do something. Holy crow. I'm not used to these new fangled RC cars. I don't know how to release this thing. I don't see anything. I'm gonna have to look into this. There's one part of the body, huh? Alright, there it is. I don't know how you release the body on this thing, so I'm gonna have to look really quick. I'm used to the body clips. I don't know nothing about releasing the body or anything. These new fancy methods. Alright, let me see. It says right here. To remove the body from the chassis, reach beneath the truck body and pull the latches toward the outside of the truck body. Release them from the front and rear mounts. Push up on the latches fully to disengage them from the mounts. Line up the body. Let me see if there's anything in here. I didn't see no... Oh, that's how it works. Just like that. Look at that. These little latches, you pull them in. That's a hefty body right there. Got a roll cage, everything. We don't need that. I'm gonna have to get an adapter or hook a Dean's plug on this thing, because that's all I use is Dean's. So there it is. You got your looks like a brushless, what is it? Looks like a standard 3300 kV 2S brushless motor. Actually has a fan on it. That's weird. And it's got the ESC here. We got the waterproof standard Traxxas servos. Feels pretty good. Nice and creamy. You see the back. Nice. Tires feel good. Suspension feels really nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, smushy. So that's it. Let's see what the bottom looks like. The wheels look really cool looking. Beefy drive shafts. They're plastic, but they're beefy. Take a look at those. Nice wheelie bar. So I guess I'm gonna have to put a Dean's plug on here, and then charge up a battery, and I don't know when I'm gonna get this out, but I'm gonna get it out for you guys and run it so you can see how it goes. So let me do all this, and I'll see you in the next video when it's run time. Thanks for watching, guys. There she is, the Bigfoot Beauty. The body's nice. Kind of stinks. I'm gonna scuff it up, but you'll see it in action soon. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with the remote. Beauty.